What's your good name?
My name is Anush Kumar.
Anush Kumar. So you are basically
I'm basically from Bangalore itself.
Bangalore. What is your profession?
I'm an IT engineer.
Okay. And age?
33.
Okay. When you have diagnosed BP?
Like I diagnosed BP like two months before. So they started medication. They started with Telma 40 mg, and I was continuously monitoring. And they suggested that while taking medicine itself, when it comes to like 130 or by 80, reduce the mg to 20 mg. So I started reducing to 20 mg. I took over for a period of 10 days. And later I came to know about this miracle drink through online, through social media and all. I went and checked there. I saw your videos and all. So I came and tried this cardiovascular support. So then after some time I came here and I interacted with the doctor, and they suggested some more addition to that. And now I'm not taking any medicines from 15 days, and I'm continuously monitoring my BP, blood pressure levels. It's very normal. It's like 128 by 80 every time.
Great. Earlier, how much it used to be there?
My BP was like once when I checked, it was like 190 by 120.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Well,